Bellybees.
The holidays are here, a time for joy, family, and plenty of excitement. But if you're wondering how to keep your kids entertained and off screens this Christmas, we've got you covered. At Bellybees, we believe in hands-on, creative learning that inspires curious minds and brings families closer together. Here are some simple, fun ways to make this Christmas both magical and meaningful. Start with Storytime. Cozy up with a Bellybees storybook, read together by the tree, and spark their imagination. Ask them what they think happens next, or how the story makes them feel, turning reading into a fun family conversation. Next, bring learning to life with Bellybees flashcards. Hide them around the house for a festive treasure hunt, and let your kids discover new words and ideas while playing. You can also set up a craft hour using our creative craft kits. Let your children make their own ornaments, cards, or decorations and proudly display their creations around the house. When it's time to wind down, puzzles and workbooks from Bellybees make the perfect calm-down activity. Add a little holiday music and hot cocoa, and you've got the perfect quiet moment after all the excitement. Don't forget a family game night with a learning twist. Use our flashcards for word games. Or have the kids write and share their own holiday stories using our tracing and writing workbooks. This season, make memories that last, ones filled with creativity, connection, and laughter. Because with Bellybees, you're not just keeping kids busy, you're helping them learn, grow, and imagine.